Welcome to N5 Vocab Lesson 15. I have already completed the full N4 vocab series, all N4 grammar and the 10 kanji a day N4 kanji series. And now we are beginning N5 step by step. Stay till the end, watch all, replay anytime and subscribe to grow with Japanese day by day. I am Yasin. Welcome to Yuki Blooming. Today, let's practice N5 vocab lesson 15. Okimasu, to put. Isu no ue ni kaban o okimasu. I put the bag on the chair. Tsukurimasu, make, produce. Keiki o tsukurimasu. I make a cake. Urimasu, sell. Hon o urimasu. I sell books. Shirimasu, to get to know. Mina anata no suki na Nihongo o shiritai desu. I want to know your favorite Japanese word. Sumimasu, live, will live. Nihon ni sumimasu. I will live in Japan. Kenkyū shimasu, do research. Watashi wa Nihongo o kenkyū shimasu. I study or research the Japanese language. Shiryo, materials, data. Shiryo wa douga no setsumeiran ni arimasu. The study materials are available in the video description. Jikokyo, timetable. Densha no jikoku hou o mimasu. I look at the train timetable. Fuku, clothes. Atarashi fuku o kaimasu. I will buy new clothes. Seihin, products. Nihon no seihin wa yumei desu. Japanese products are famous. Sofuto, software. Atarashi sofuto o instoru shimasu. I install new software. Denshi Jisho, electronic dictionary. Denshi Jisho o tsukaimasu. I use an electronic dictionary. Keizai, economy, economics. Keizai o benkyou shimasu. I study economics. Shiyakusho, city hall. Shiyakusho e ikimasu. I go to the city hall. Koukou, senior high school. Koukou ni kayotte imasu. I attend high school. Haisha, dentist. Haisha e ikimasu. I go to the dentist. Dokushin, single, unmarried. Kare wa dokushin desu. He is single. Sumimasen, I am sorry. Sumimasen, mou ichido onegai shimasu. Sorry, please say it again. Minasan, everyone. Minasan, konnichiwa. Hello everyone. Omoidashimasu. Remember. Kodomo no koro o omoidasu. I remember my childhood. Irashaimasu. Honorific. Be or exist. Sensei ga koko ni irashaimasu. The teacher is here. Hey, are you new here? Subscribe the channel so you don't miss more simple and useful Japanese lessons from Yuki Blooming. Thanks for watching. Don't miss next practice. Click here.